Most people search for the best anti-detect browser because they want one simple answer. But the truth is, there isn't one browser that's best for everyone. So instead, let me show you how experienced users actually choose one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right one for you. First, check which browser engines it supports. Most anti-detect browsers are Chromium-based, but if you prefer Firefox, make sure Firefox is actually supported. While you're at it, check how frequently it updates its Chromium version. Websites evolve constantly, and if a browser falls too far behind, your browser fingerprint can start looking outdated. Second, don't get obsessed with fingerprint settings. More customization doesn't always mean better protection. What's much more important is proper browser profile isolation. Every profile should have its own cookies, local storage, browsing history, and browser fingerprint, completely independent from the others. Third, check proxy support. Make sure it supports a wide range of proxy types and makes them easy to configure, assign, and switch. The smoother your proxy management is, the smoother your workflow will be. Fourth, think about your workflow. If you rely on automation, batch operations, or APIs, make sure those features actually fit the way you work. Fifth, if you're working with a team, check the collaboration features. Look for role-based permissions, secure profile sharing, and access controls that help keep your data safe. And finally, do your own research. Read reviews, watch YouTube videos, but the best way to know if a browser is right for you is to try it yourself. So, spend a few minutes testing it yourself before making a decision.